Welcome to Restoration Stories. Today, we begin a truly emotional journey where time, rust, and memory intertwine. Deep within the forest, hidden beneath layers of fallen leaves and moss-covered trees, lies a 1965 Opel Kadett, forgotten for more than half a century. Its paint has flaked away, glass turned cloudy, and every inch of metal tells the story of decades lost to nature's grip. But today, a team of young engineers has decided to do something extraordinary, to awaken this machine's soul right where it was abandoned. This isn't just a restoration project. It's a conversation between past and present, between skilled, grease-stained hands and a mechanical icon long asleep. The first minute of our story marks the beginning of its rebirth, a moment that will stir the hearts of every true car enthusiast. Automobile Sparkles. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next episodes of Restoration Stories. The engine now breathing again, the team moved on to inspect the rest of the car, the brakes, clutch, throttle cables, and fuel lines. Each part, though worn and fragile, told its own story, a story from an era when cars were built from real metal, not molded plastic. As they dismantled and cleaned each system, they found traces of the original craftsmanship, the solid welds, the hand-shaped panels, and the precision of parts designed to be repaired, not replaced. The instructor shared a line that everyone paused to remember. Don't try to turn an old car into a new one. Keep its soul alive. That became the philosophy of this project and of true restoration itself. Real value doesn't come from how shiny the surface looks, but from how much originality and history remain intact beneath it. They reinforced old brake hoses instead of swapping them with modern ones, repaired the clutch cable by hand, and adjusted the carburetor the old-fashioned way by listening to the rhythm of the idle. Every decision balanced between preservation and performance, between the science of mechanics and the art of respecting time. Part 6, the rolling moment after long hours of meticulous work, the Opel Kadett was finally ready to meet the sunlight again. They rolled it up from the workshop, the afternoon sun reflecting softly off its faded paint, every scratch and dent now a badge of honor. The engine purred unevenly but proudly. When the wheels began to turn, inch by inch, the team stood in silence. No one spoke, because nothing needed to be said. A machine once declared dead was moving under its own power again. In that moment, all fatigue vanished, replaced by awe. It wasn't just mechanics, it was a small miracle born from patience, craftsmanship, and an unshakable belief in bringing things back to life. Part 7, closing and human values. Every restoration isn't just about saving a car, it's about saving a piece of human memory. The story of the 1965 Opel Kadett stands as proof that nothing is truly broken as long as we still have the love to fix it. Thank you for watching Restoration Stories. If you believe that the past can still be reborn, Please subscribe to our channel and join us as we continue to bring forgotten machines and forgotten dreams back to life. Automobile Sparkles.